How to make GIFs for Instagram stories. Do you want to have a personalized GIF on Instagram, like this one? Here is how to make GIFs for Instagram stories, but first I gotta tell you that I have some new wildlife at home. Let's explore. Come, there's something I gotta show you. It seems that there's nothing here. But wait, who are you? I'm Batman. That's a cute dog that had a lot of issues that we found on the street and we adopted, and we're looking for a place. So if you're someone that wants to help out, DM me on Instagram. Oh, by the way, there's a bonus tip to the video if you stick until the end. In this video, you see all the Instagram GIFs that you need to make if you are building a personal brand on Instagram. And even better, there's actually two ways to do it. With Giphy and without. Giphy. And without. Without. Listen up, for this video you gotta be very energetic. And you know the drill, I will give you some freebies, no, forget about that. You gotta make your own coffee. So, sit back, relax, make some 20-cent coffee, get energized, and also grab my #research service in the description down below. But first we gotta record the GIFs. And you can't really record GIFs unless you like this video. As a matter of fact, if you don't like this video, there's a very high chance an alien pet will abduct you. That's here on Earth. And it's right under your desk. So like this video for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe if you're new. Okay, so the GIFs we need to make are camera up. And for this example, to make it super simple, we'll actually use my phone to record the GIFs. I'll try to put it somewhere where there's a very low chance it would fall. Okay, first GIF, swipe up. Then we should get a shocked GIF. Happy GIF, a thoughtful GIF, and look up and look down GIF for some ads that you can have. And maybe your version of the happy dance. That's a bit stupid. What's my version of the happy dance? So, let's grab this footage real quick. Okay, so the first thing I gotta do is transfer the photos, and I'll do it from AirDrop right now from my phone. So the first thing that I actually gotta do is edit each GIF out from the video. So on an iPhone it's really easy, and let's say that this is the swipe up GIF, done. Save as a new clip. Well, that's really lame. You can obviously do a lot better ones, but you can actually do the look up GIF. Okay, I actually like this one. Okay, saving this as a new clip. Okay, I'll actually use this one and I'll share it to my MacBook, and I'll go on this website right here that is called unscreen.com. It's really easy, you can write it down, go on it, and you want to remove the background. You can obviously do with other apps, it's free, it seems.
One eternity later.
Okay, I somehow managed to upload it onto Unscreen. Sometimes you gotta just make it into a square video, which you can do from your iPhone. It's trying to get uploaded. Oh, look at that. That's not that bad. That's not that bad. Okay, perfect. Download it as a GIF. Here are the two ways to actually do the trick. The first way is to actually go copy this GIF, get it back to your phone, right? And you gotta actually copy the GIF, which you do from here. And I think to do that, you also need to download it as an animated PNG. So download both. Okay, so when it's on your phone, what you do is you go on your photos right here. You just click the share option. You click on copy photo, and then you go back to your stories, create a story, right? It can be something like a background. Click the text button, click this, paste it right here. Maybe make it something like this, and to make it even cooler, you can add some background effects like this or whatever, and then do a poll if you want to tweak a video, if you want to hype up a video that you're releasing soon like I am.
want to learn how to get custom GIFs like this.
And also, because I want to be cool kid, I'll go on my photos and I'll also use the swipe up, and I think it's this one. So it should be something like this. And then I also want to make it a bit square, like this, saving as a new clip. And now let me find it in the photos. Okay, sharing it to my Mac. And from my Mac, I'll just go on screen again and upload the clip here, which should be this one, I hope. Drink coffee again. Okay, it cuts out my hair, but whatever. I gotta make new GIFs again when my hair grows back. Download the GIF as a GIF and straight to my phone. This is, by the way, the first way. There's another way that I'll show you real quick. Okay, back to my phone. Come on, phone. Show up. Okay, here, phone. And from here on my phone again, copy it. And I can do a swipe up story to subscribe. For example, something like this. And then I'll copy the new thing. Swipe up to subscribe again. And then I hope the link works. And yeah, this button should also make people automatically subscribe. So this is the first way to actually do that. The second way is to register on Giphy. But for that, you also need a verified Giphy account, right? You just create an account, super simple. I already did that. Upload the photo. For example, in our situation, it will be this GIF, for example, which is the lookup. Enter the text.
Dr. Niki. Enter text, Dr. Niki. Subscribe, look up, swipe up. Check this out. Interesting, learn more. So whatever you can see, another image, you want to click up to upload, no.
Uploading, and now we have it on Giphy as well. And over time, it will actually appear here on the Instagram stories. Let me show you. So you don't have to do the copy option, especially if you are on an Android device. We just do this, go here, and just type, if you just do something like subscribe, right? These are the Giphy stuff, right? Subscribe. So it will appear here over time when I type in Dr. Niki. I really hope this video helped you out. If it did, again, like this video, subscribe if you want to grow on Instagram and you want some insights, like heavy insights, growth hacks, really interesting stuff. Subscribe, please. Okay, so now that we got that out of the way, you might be thinking, well, nobody's really watching my Instagram stories. What can I do? And I'll tell you. Listen up, I can shout you out in one of the next videos. All you gotta do is comment your Instagram username, TikTok or YouTube channel username down below and I'll shout you out. Don't believe me? Here are the shout out winners from this episode. First, we have Seth Kaufman, who says, can you make a video on recording deleted Instagram posts? Recovering, I already did that. And then we have, like your videos and sub your channel. My Instagram username is MOATE Pongen dash. Check him out, follow him right now. See you in the next one. A video that keeps the doctor away. By the end of this video, you know what to do. Check one of these videos out. See you next one.